How to use cut by line color in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. First, create a design with multiple lines. Step 2. Go to the Send panel and select the Line tab. Step 3. The line color will be represented in the table below. Step 4. Depending on your cut or draw preference, you can drag a layer up or down to move its position in the queue. Step 5. If required, select the tool holder from the Tool No options. Step 6. For the material, you can select it from the Material drop-down. Step 7. Select whether you want to sketch, cut, score, or more from the action drop-down. Step 8. Once you select the action, the tool will automatically change. Step 9. Repeat the same steps with the other line color layers. Step 10. If you've selected different materials and actions for different layers, select the layer and click Add Pause. Step 11. Once done, click Send to start cutting or drawing. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manimaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.